Hello students, there is a good news for you. Now you can write the same matter at different speeds. Link of the same is given in the description box. Thank you. Start. This appeal has been filed by the informant against judgment and order passed by the ad hoc additional sessions judge in sessions trial arising out of acquitting respondent numbers 2 to 9 of charges under sections 341, 342 and 302 read with section 34 of the Indian Penal Code framed against them. Stop. Para. Since the appellant informant happens to be cousin father-in-law of the deceased, as pointed out by learned additional public prosecutor, this court granted time to learned counsel for the appellant to address the court on the issue of maintainability of the appeal preferred by the appellant in terms of the proviso to section 372 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Stop. Para. It is a settled proposition of law that a right vested in an aggrieved appeal to appeal against any judgment and order of any judicial or quasi-judicial authority is a creature of statute to be preferred before a forum prescribed and according to the procedure laid down. Stop. Nobody can claim this right as a fundamental right or even as a constitutional right. Stop. Hence, scope and limitation of this right has also to be governed by the statute creating that right. Stop. For that reason, this court considers it appropriate to look back a little to find out the origin of the provisions of right to appeal in our criminal justice system against any judgment and order or acquittal of an accused by any competent court of law. Stop. Para. Criminal justice system of the country in the present form was first conceived in the Code of Criminal Procedure framed in 1861. Stop. Though in this code provisions were made for appeals against judgments and orders of conviction, there was no provision for any appeal against acquittal. Stop. It was in the Code of Criminal Procedure of 1898 that section 417 was inserted, enabling the government to direct the public prosecutor to present an appeal to the High Court from an original or appellate order of acquittal passed by any court other than a High Court. Stop. However, the recommendations of the Law Commission of India made in its 41st report as also in 48th report caused restrictions imposed in such right of appeal of the government in the section 378 of the new Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 by insertion of concept of leave to appeal, besides retaining the provision for appeal by a complainant against an order of acquittal passed in a complaint case after obtaining special leave. Stop. Though the 1861 code, the 1898 code as well as the 1973 code contained elaborate provisions with regard to different facets of criminal justice system and the right of an accused at different stages, but they were earlier conspicuously silent in respect of the rights of the victim of a crime and his oblique her right to participate or to have a say in the proceedings of the criminal justice delivery system at any level stop. In fact, the victims of the crime remained ignored lot for centuries throughout the globe and were left to fend for themselves irrespective of the fate meted out to the offender. Stop para. As per the available records in modern times, it was an English magistrate who in 1950s was first to advocate for state compensation for crime victims. Stop. This led the British government to set up its program in 1964 and taking cue from the ancient code laid down by the emperor providing for compensation to the victim of a crime in different manner. Stop. Depending on gravity of suffering, the government of England for the first time drew up an elaborate scheme for payment of compensation to the victims and was brought into notice and force through the exercise of royal prerogative, which practice was adopted by many other countries across the globe as well. Stop.